Hello and welcome to issue 56 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. Let's see what we've got this week. This is the 3D Printing and Fashion Footwear and the Motor Driver Board 4. That's it just there, we'll get out in a minute. We've got the usual web access code for the design files 961755. Best foot forward. Join the latest 3D design and print technology, fashion footwear stepping out in bold new directions. Bit fancy footwear there. More fancy footwear. Those are supposed to be shoes. Oh, I see they go on the back bit of the shoe. Those bits there go on that bit there. Bit outrageous, but a bit strange footwear. Looks like spaghetti. Looks like you've just come out to sea, that one. Looks like that one. Looks like you've between design, fashion, and technology. Francis Bolton plate gold-plated matter shoes for United Nude. Each design unique, generated by computer. 3Ds are these uppers are leathered and 3D printed heels are gold-plated. There you go, gold-plated. Working with surface. This is the design program, Blender. Subdividing spaces. As I said, this is the Motor Driver Board 4. Very easy, quick and easy this week. Now this is the last week of doing these motor driver boards. This is week 4. This will be the last of them. Next week will be the wire. So get a little bit more interesting from next week, hopefully. This is the build-up project for the design files, Alphabet Blocks Part 5. Snap cube. If you're a bit of a fidget, then this little clever hinge cube will keep your fingers snapping for a while. It's a little puzzle thing where you've got to try and fit all those into a cube. Got those into a cube like that. Pegboard scissors holder. Oh, that's probably quite useful, maybe perhaps. Customizing Blender. As I said, print head feeder cable. I'm not quite too sure where that cable will go, but anyway, let's get this out. Okay, let's try some magic here. You see, three of those driver boards. 2 driver boards, one driver board, no driver boards, one driver board, two driver boards, three driver boards, four driver boards, 1, 2, 3, 4. Magic. They all made them all disappear one by one, then made them all reappear one by one. And then next week I'll make that wire, the print head cable feeder, which I think will go from there, maybe up there, up to the top there. I think it goes in there somewhere, I'm not sure. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Bye.